So this pound yen analysis for Monday the 11th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the pound yen, we've previously had prices trade below the 46.38. We didn't quite get down towards that 146 level. In around the 146, we did have the other confluence of a 200 period moving average. It also increased in likelihood of seeing a bullish buy sentiment to return to the market. We didn't quite get down there. Instead, we did hold 46.38, brief consolidation beneath the 400 period average before having this strong move here to the upside, breaking above this 47.35, and we do see points for further upside momentum continuation here. So if we do see this buy side momentum continuation, we'll look and see our price react around this 148. Previously, we had a couple of tests of that 148 before seeing a breakdown prices, so we'll look to see our prices react towards that 148 here on the pound yen. But the levels that we are looking at here to the upside, if we are to see the bullish buy side momentum continuation beyond the 148, we are looking for a move up towards that 148.46, 148.61 before looking for a move up towards that 149.10 here on the pound against the yen. Beyond the 149.10, I suppose we do have the 149.78 above. I don't anticipate it coming into focus. The 149.78, I would expect possibly in the range should be around at 149.10. If however we do break down in prices, we do see a breakdown from where we are at present. We'll look to see whether 147.34 does hold for support. Failing to do that, could possibly see prices head down towards that 146.38, and beyond the 146.38, we're looking for a move down towards that 146 here on the pound against the yen, while being aware of the 200 period moving average sitting pretty close towards that 146.38 here on the pound yen. Now let's just have a look at the higher time frame. So have a look here at the monthly chart. We got the scale on here correct. So let's have a look here. So on the monthly charts, there is a degree of indecisiveness at present. So we've had this move here to the upside. We've had a brief pullback, further sell side momentum, and we do appear to be having a bit of a pullback at present. So we'll look to see if we do have that momentum continuation here and realign us with the bullish trend, or whether we'll find a resistance and see further sell side momentum continuation here to the downside on the pound yen. Let's see, yep, further sell side momentum on the pound yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly chart. Once it all loads up, it appears to be having some difficulty at present. There we go. So here we are on the pound yen from weekly time frame. As you can see, we've had the methodical trend here to the upside. We have a brief pullback, posted a higher low, and we are seeing that sell side momentum here on the pound yen. Now, from this sell side momentum, we've had a degree of bullishness come back into the market. So we'll see whether we can break above our previous highs, our most recent highs, or whether we will fail and see that further sell side continuation. Now we know on our previous highs it does appear that we have the 400 period moving average just in around the previous, around that mid 50s. Let's just see where that is actually. So in around that 50, 56, we do have the 400 period moving average sitting pretty close to that area. It is also an area where we've previously found resistance. So we'll see whether we can break above that 150, 56, or whether we'll see that sell side momentum return to the market and prices retrace further to the downside here on the pound yen. What we'll do now is we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So just bear with me a second here. And let's go. So on the daily charts, we can see here we've had prices head to the upside, posted a lower high, further sell side momentum, had a degree of weakness, saw the sell side momentum return to the market for a move down towards 143.19, From the 43.19, we've had a bullish move, brief pullback, and we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. So we do seem poised for further upside momentum continuation here. So if we can hold above our the levels previously identified, again, we're looking for prices to head up towards that possibly at 49.78 in the coming days, where we do have that confluence of on the daily chart of the 200 period average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market. There is also the possibility, if we do see that sell side momentum return to the market from this 149.78, there is a possibility of a put it posting an inverted head and shoulders. So if we do have failure to break the 149.78 without the confluence of the 200 period moving average, there's a possibility of putting in another shoulder here. So we'll have a shoulder, head, possible shoulder, and then seeing a bullish chart pattern, inverted head and shoulders, seeing a move here to the upside on the pound yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.